Hi bro, how are you?
I'm fine. Actually, you know that today we came back again for the outdoor session. Actually, this is also the one kind of new activity we started in a Pravakta Academy.
Okay, so on which topic you will discuss
Actually,
today?
today we will discuss on a today's generation.
Oh my God, such a nice topic.
Yeah, you
Yes.
know that in a today's generation, actually, peoples and students and each and every person of the today's generation
Yeah,
facing
yeah.
lots of problems. That's why
Yes,
you know
yes.
that lots of students actually came out of the class to explain to
Yes,
everyone
especially
which
for
kind
the
of problem.
publish.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
especially for the public speaking. Actually, you know that if they give topic here,
Yes,
definitely
yes.
they will improve their confidence.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
let start the session actually.
Came here only the purpose of public speaking and it should be happen in the public. Okay,
Yeah.
so therefore we have gathered here today. Okay, out of the class. I think so. Let's start the session now.
1, 2, 3, clap, guys. Actually, you know that lots of students also want the opportunity for the talking actually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So let's start the session
Yeah,
from
let
the
them chance
Srishti.
also. Yes.
So big applause for Srishti and Nikita.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, clap for Srishti and Nikita.
Hi,
Hi Nikita.
hi
This is
Srishti.
Srishti this side.
Oh, hi.
Our today's topic is
It's
like our today's generation.
Yeah.
So what do you think about today's generation?
Yeah, I think much a lot, but some things are happening good, some things are happening bad. Today's generation is developing in AI, technology, means lots of things we are developing. Some things are good, but today's generation, I think women are not safe in today's generation. Women should be safe. Women are not safe in today's generation. So
I
what?
think so.
Yeah.
I think so because our today's generation is a lot of lost. It is not live in the present.
Yeah.
They saw a lot of things on the social media and they compare themselves with the social media and they think that all the social media people, all the influencers are completely like true people. They are showing their reality. They are showing their real life. But actually, you think so? It's not. It's completely fake things they are showing. We don't aware that what they are people doing behind the camera. So we are not aware of that things. And definitely our today's generation is just in comparing mode. Every day they are comparing themselves with each and every person who are influencer on social media.
Yeah.
But I think so that's a completely wrong thing. We have to stay in present and we have to compare ourselves with our surrounding. Not should be like a influencer and all these things. It's completely become lost because of they have lot of they have lot of things to do, like they have AI, so they can do studies from that. But what they did like they are thinking like AI become a distraction for us.
Yeah.
It's not really, because I think so we can use it in a fair way, but we are not using it. What do you think about it? Like
Yeah, means see, many of the influencer are just uploading the vlogs and these all things, and we are just copy them. We are just trying to copy them. We are just trying to like to behave with them. But I think no one can be a same. No one can be a same person. So we should don't try to copy the others. Today's generation is just trying to copy the other persons, and I don't think that is necessary in our daily life. Many simple people also, they are uploading their daily routine, they are uploading in vlogs, and that's all. I don't think that is needed. So that's all, and I don't think today's
that's
generation
a
is.
definitely
Yeah.
thing that they are showing their shadows, they are showing their fake personality on the social media. Actually they are completely different than the real life. So I also think same thing. I think so we have lot of things like AI, chat GPT and YouTube. Nowadays YouTube has each
Yeah.
and every course present there
Yeah.
for free of cost. Why we are not using it for the studies, and why we are using it for the only
Other
distraction?
purpose
Yeah,
and
we should use it
distractions.
as a useful things, not for the distraction. So this is about our thoughts maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, sister, you are all right. Means our Pravakta Academy also. Our Pravakta Academy also based on the AI system. What about thing like that? Yeah, but definitely AI will help us to grow.
Yeah.
Because of AI, we know AI can solve anything, and AI
Yeah,
is
of
giving
course.
a real life experience nowadays. So because of AI, I think so we will learn a lot, and
Yeah.
not because of, and AI can also do a publishment of everything. So we can show the world who we are. We can show the world we are the students of Pravakta Academy. We
Sister?
can definitely show that
Yeah.
because of AI. Yeah, of course.
Sister,
AI
you know
is
that
useful.
means many people means many people yeah, bad use for the AI. This is good or bad? Means AI good also bad also. Many people use for the AI for good purpose and many people use for the bad purpose. What about the bad people?
Everyone know coin has two sides. So
Yeah.
definitely if the thing is coming in market that have an advantage also and disadvantage also. But it's depend on us why we are using it for a, we can use it for useful things and we can use it for useless
Yeah, of course.
useless things. So we should have that sense, or we should have that alertness in ourselves that we will use it as a only for studies and all these things, not for the destroying ourselves. So this is the thing that AI is teaching us.
Yeah, and you.
Do you know unemployment? Unemployment. Okay, this is also the biggest problem of India's young. Okay, so what do you think? Should government focus on unemployment?
Definitely they should focus on the
Actually, brother,
unemployment.
that's not a problem of the government actually.
Okay.
You know that today's, in today's
But
generation,
brother, hello,
each and
government
every
should.
person- each and
Yes.
every person want the government job, and only because of that means every student actually at the age of little they decided that one day I will be as a IAS. Means this is not
But
in the
government
hand of
should
the government.
increase.
Government not able to give job to everyone. Okay.
Yeah, what I
That's
want to
why
tell you,
nowadays-
government should be increase the multinational companies
Not a multinational,
and the
I think
and the
people should try to decide that they should try to create some kind of the businesses. Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yes.
If you create a business, then you
Yes.
are able to give job to the other person.
yeah, and you totally right actually. Okay, everyone want the government job. I think this is not good. Okay, we should business also in our life.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you know that in a today's generation, actually, each and every person busy in a cell phone.
Yeah.
And you know that in a E-Pravakta Academy, actually, Arun sir created the one kind of the big system. Means that system is totally different on AI.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Means you know that at the age
That
of
means
little,
through
at
the
the age of
through the
little,
AI we will get
parents-
education.
At-
Okay, this is also the important because
Yeah.
in this situation, okay, everywhere AI is there, right? And in ePravakta Academy, Arun sir started the AI system.
Yeah, system.
Okay,
Yeah,
for the
seriously.
teaching. Yes.
Have you seen that? Means that method of Arun sir. Have you seen?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, what exactly that method of the AI means education through the AI?
Yes, actually, suppose if we want to picture imagination,
Yeah.
okay, we can also say that it's also the part of AI system. Okay, and if the suppose if anyone not getting the point earlier, okay, through the AI we will explain to the student.
Yeah.
Okay, because of that the student also can get help. Okay, like that.
Actually, the main important thing is that at the age of little means parents providing then the cell phone actually.
Yes.
Because nowadays they are not ready to listen anything of parents also because each and every time they want the cell phone.
Yes.
And you know that if we provide them the education with the cell phone, this will be better for them. That's why Arun sir created that kind of things.
Yes,
So-
actually, you know, in today's situation, mostly student addicted by the social media. If they have a cell phone, okay, they're not ready to do education with
Yeah.
the mobile phone. Okay, I think it's a responsibility of their parents. They should not. That means in limitation, they should give them mobile only for the education, right? Like that. Yes, Durvesh. What do you think on today's generation?
I think that the today's generation is getting lazy day by day. All the works are they depend on the machines and AI system. They are not doing with their selves. This is the main problem of the today's generation. And due to the technology, it's it's very good thing that the technology is developing day by day. But it's very means harmful to the children, small children who are using the cell phone, smartphone, and many of the online games also they are playing at the age of 10 years old. So it's main
Last time,
bigger
brother
problem.
took the point of that means unemployment.
Yes.
Okay, this is also the one kind of big problem of India actually. How can we solve that kind of big problem?
Actually, this is not problem of the candidates
Okay.
of who are applying for the job in government job and they are not getting. It's a problem of it's the problem that we don't have that much seats. As I can give the example of the MBBS, every year for NEET exam there are 25 lakh students, and increasing day by day there are It means increasing
means,
every year.
That means
they are
he just want to
getting.
tell us that the competition is increasing.
Yes.
Okay, so therefore
And
unemployment
only
also increasing.
55,000 seats are there.
Actually,
So how
you know
they will
that
get the
last time,
admission?
means few years ago, China was in a top, in a population.
Yes.
Okay, and you know that in a China, actually they never ever faced the unemployment. Why?
Actually, China is already developed country. We are still developed.
Actually, you know that in 1962, when India got the war between the China, actually means that time, you know that GDP of the China is not better than our India. But today, if you see the chart of today, then you will observe that the GDP of the China is in the top.
Yes, yes, it's happening, and the Indians are not thinking about the GDP or any other about our country. They are thinking that my home is secure. I can means I can afford anything. So that's the point. Means only India is getting selfish.
Actually, once upon
They
a
are not
time,
thinking about
yeah,
our country.
Once
They are
upon a
thinking
time,
about
you know that
their
Abdul
families.
Kalam said that means in a 21st century India will be developed. Okay, but now the journey of India as a developing means, you know that only one thing is that means why India as a developing political system of India.
Okay, political system is not good. That
Yeah,
much.
means you know that nowadays each and every person actually within their work. Nobody want as a work for our society. That's why this is also one kind of
they
big
don't want
problem
to
of India.
work for our country or our society. They
Yeah.
want to work for their families.
Yeah. So next, I would like to call Prerna. She will explain you what are the problems of India. So big applause for Prerna, ma'am.
What is the topic?
About today's generation, you can explain. AI also.
Yes, ma'am, what do you want to say on the today's generation?
About AI, I want
Okay.
to say about AI. Since last many years, I am in ePravakta Academy. I
Okay.
have lots of
Experience of the AI system.
AI system, how to teach and I heard lots of times about AI. It is a very useful thing to teach to students and all that.
Ma'am, can you tell to everyone what's exactly the benefits of AI education? Okay,
Through-
that means if we are getting the education through the AI, what will be the benefits of AI?
Because of AI means suppose now we can teach to student that time they can't
Okay.
understand that time they search on AI and
Okay.
they will get knowledge.
Okay, just take it, Mike.
We can check our vocabulary on the AI system.
On
we
the
can, on the AI system, we can give we can present our speech in front of AI. We can tell them, is it good or not? My all the pronunciation is correct or not? They can judge me as a teacher. They will not wanna judge me as like I don't know English or like. They will definitely
yes.
judge me as a teacher, and they will tell me which things I'm doing wrong and which things
So
I'm
I
not
just
doing
want
correct.
to I just want to ask you through the AI education. That means education through the AI. Is it good or bad?
It's completely good. Definitely,
Yes.
it has some disadvantage, but definitely it will
But
be
I think
happy.
it's a good.
Yeah,
you know,
it's a good.
That means
it's a good
if you are
because
if you are taking education through the AI, that means many kinds of the knowledge we will get through the AI.
definitely we will get lots of knowledge. We don't need any person is near who will tell us which is
Yes.
this is the thing we have to learn. This is the course you can do in future.
Yes,
so
yes, right.
AI can definitely tell me which in which field I can do my better things. And
Yeah, you totally
which-
correct. Actually, that
Yeah.
means through if you are taking education through the AI, okay,
It's
it's always right actually.
But
Okay.
don't you think that spending of lots of time in AI is wastage of time? Means we are wasting our life.
Hello, sister. You know that once upon a time means each and every one have the cell phone of the Nokia.
Yeah.
And we are also using the keypad phone. Nowadays, is there any market of Nokia and the keypad phone?
No, we are just using the screen touch and
Suppose
that's
if you want to purchase a cell phone, then
Day
which
by day.
which
Hello.
kind of cell phone you will purchase? Means Nokia cell phone or a Vivo and other cell phone.
all. Of course, Vivo and others. Of course, Vivo and screen touch phone.
That's why I'm saying that's why I'm saying you that means nowadays today there is no any market of any kind of things. That's why in a today's generation actually each and every person addicted by the AI.
Yeah.
And nowadays you know that we also want the education with the AI. Without AI we can't explain our life. What will happen? Like that.
Actually, day by day, technology is increasing.
Yeah.
Okay, and Arun Saindane sir, okay, who is the owner of Pravakta Academy, they also started the education through the AI system.
Yeah.
But there are some disadvantages too. Can't you think that?
Which kind of disadvantages? I will explain you.
Means suppose boy is sending the a photo to the AI of a girl and he is making the
Hello, sister. Firstly, you know that Arun sir created that kind of application. Means software is there. Means in that software there is no any role of the chatting and whatever the thing. That software is only that software is only for education.
Yeah,
Okay.
only for the education
You will get the video lectures. Means test also there. Means you know that nowadays we are not able to note down the notes actually. This is very boring method actually. That's why that method is that. Means in that method you will get the test and whatever the things totally online on. You know that this will be very interesting. This will be also like the game actually. You know that.
so this AI is going to be a very beneficial for the students.
Yeah, for students actually this will be very
Definitely.
beneficial for the
Yeah.
students actually.
Actually, that means that means you just want to tell us that
You can come with us.
yes, you just want to tell us that in ePravakta Academy, okay, who actually the owner of ePravakta Academy, he is creating the one application. In that application, recorded videos also will be available, will be there, and test also will be there, right? Yeah, it's a good, I think.
So you can judge yourself as you as
You know that
Yeah.
means now every student able to discuss with us actually in
Yes.
English, not in a Marathi.
Yes,
Means
they are
only
able
because
to.
of the AI and only because of the Arun sir.
Yes,
Means
yes.
this is also the one kind of the outdoor debate actually. Actually, you know that this is not
Yeah,
a
we
closed
can
debate.
say
This
that-
is not means in a room actually. This is very easy. But in a
But
outdoor actually,
public
this is
speaking, if you are telling the public speaking, it should be happen in the publish,
public.
right?
Yeah, actually, you know that lots of people are there actually. Lots of people actually watching us actually.
Yes, yes.
And this is also the one kind of improvement. Means this is also the one kind of
Improvement of
method
our
for,
academy.
confidence also.
Yes, yes. We can get the confidence also.
Means you know that small students also able to talk in English actually. So
Yeah,
if I gave them the mic, no, they will talk. Okay, about yourself. So big applause for Sharvi.
Sharvi. Okay, yes, tell something about yourself.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's me Sharvi. Today I'm going to talk about myself. My full name is Sharvi Mangesh Gorwadkar. We are two siblings in my family. First one my father, second my mother, third my big brother, fourth my big brother and me. I like my favorite
Yes, yes.
My favorite dish is water balloon. My favorite color name is pink color and orange color. My favorite
Yes.
my favorite's name is study and reading and dancing. Thanks for being with me.
Okay, big applause for the Sharvi. Okay, Sharvi, you speak very nice actually. Okay, now I just want to allow. Hello. I just want to allow the Sharva. Actually, they both are the twins. Okay, so I just want to allow the Sharva. So big applause for the Sharva.
So hello guys, good afternoon. It's Mr. Morning. It's Mr. Sharva. Today I'm excited to share my views about myself. My full name is Sharva Mangesh Gorwadkar. There are 5 members in my family. First, my father, he doing water purifier servicing. Second is my mother, he is a housewife. Third is my big brother, he do the Veda study. Fourth is me and fifth is my sister. She is a 5th standard. My favorite person is my mother and my big brother. My mother support in everything and my brother tell me good things. My favorite dish is pav bhaji. Thanks for being with me.
Actually, at the age of little, actually Sharu and Sharvi able to communicate with us only because of the AI and only because of the Pravakta Academy. This kind of things actually happening with the students actually.